Hi friends, I'm Dhatri. Today I am going to share with you healthy recipe for milkshake. If you want to skip your lunch and you want to make sure also that you get all your nutrition, so we don't need too many ingredients for that, and let's not waste time, and I'll show you quickly and how to prepare things, and we'll make it in a minute. So we are going to make banana avocado milk. For that you need a banana, avocado, dates. I crush some almond. I usually keep powder like this, and I do use in my salad or milkshake or rice or anything you want to add in it, you can do that. And you need a regular milk or almond milk. Not last but least, you need a hand blend.